Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are built, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Beneath these towering presses, flat aluminum sheets become the skin of an electric car. Each stroke of the die folds metal with measurements tighter than a human hair. Robotic grippers choreograph the handoff.
Pressure peak on panel 7. See that dip?
Got it. Adjusting flow, stabilizing, green again.
Cycles at 83%. Hold steady.
And complete. Log saved.
Nutrition victim. Inserts the stumbed as recognized. Every battery module is assembled and tested for maximum range and safety.
Inspector by reverting it. Eliminate its damaged inspection bay. In the aerospace vehicle is checked before leaving the facility.
Concluding with the characters from the Microsoft, with the characters agreed. And that's how Tesla cars are built, from start to finish.